Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to keep PayPal happy as a Shopify dropshipper, and this definitely works for print-on-demand sellers as well. And you always want to stay on PayPal's good side. That's a really important thing no matter what you're selling. And PayPal is a real great partner for you to have. Customers are going to trust PayPal, so you want to offer it on your store. There are some annoyances and some roadblocks that you might run into. I'll talk about those in a second, but really the most important part is that customers want to see PayPal on your store, so that's why you should offer it. For some sellers, especially drop shippers, some print-on-demand sellers, PayPal can be a pain with account issues. Things like holding, putting those 21-day holds on your revenue, or taking a percentage hold for X amount of days or weeks, account suspensions. Of course, all these things will affect your cash flow, and they can ruin or kill your business pretty quickly, especially if you're heavily reliant on PayPal for most of your customers paying over there. So there are some pain points that you are going to run into. You need to basically know how to battle those. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. And really the biggest thing that you can control is shipment tracking data attached to Shopify and PayPal, right? That's the big trick here. When you have an order, let's say you do print on demand or drop shipping, you have it automated, and then the order on Shopify gets updated that it's shipped, right? It doesn't get sent over automatically to PayPal. So while the customer is going to get that Shopify related email, PayPal is never going to see that this transaction was shipped. And this is where brands like dropshippers and print-on-demand sellers will get in trouble, because there's a little bit added time in the production of the product in POD or the shipping of it in drop shipping. So this is a great strategy to keep your account in great health and to make sure that you reduce or even sometimes remove 21-day holds. So basically, you'll have no cash flow issues. PayPal will, you'll be in PayPal's good graces. You're not going to need to spend a lot of time either, because the alternative to this is just going ahead and copying and pasting the tracking numbers from Shopify into PayPal. And as you grow your store, that's going to be the last thing that you want to do. So it's a really massive, huge time saver. And this also allows for you to be eligible for seller protection from PayPal. If you don't have tracking on the transaction, there's no shot you're going to be eligible for PayPal seller protection. So this is really a must-have for really any type of store that's using PayPal. And PalTrack is the app I'm going to show you that does this automatically. I highly recommend it. You see the link directly below this video. It's just the easiest tool out there, and it's going to automatically sync your tracking numbers from Shopify over into PayPal automatically, right? You're not going to have to copy and paste. You're not going to have to risk copy and pasting the wrong thing or putting it in the wrong place or wasting your time doing it. It's going to happen automatically. And here's the app over here. You see the link directly below this video. Again, highly recommended. And what you're going to basically be able to do is reduce or remove the holds by automatically syncing tracking information from Shopify into PayPal. You see the little dashboard over here, and we'll go over the shoulder in a little bit. I'll show you more about PalTrack, and you'll see that the different orders that are synced, how many orders that are synced, the percentage of orders that are synced, hopefully 100%. You can even go back in time and do syncing of other orders. And really this is all about saving time, saving your money, getting in the good graces of PayPal, removing those holds, being eligible for the PayPal seller protection. All those benefits come by using the PalTrack app. Number one, you're going to be able to auto sync the order tracking. Right, so when your Shopify store updates with the tracking information, let's say from your dropshipper or from your print-on-demand provider, automatically PalTrack is going to sync with PayPal to provide the tracking number on the PayPal transaction as well. Really, really powerful there. It's also going to auto-route carrier name, I should say. So you're doing UPS or USPS or FedEx or whatever it is, going to be automatically recognized there. You'll also be able to do email reports, and like you see over there, most importantly, you can get eligible for seller protection. Without tracking on the transaction, any dispute or any kind of chargeback, anything like that, you're going to lose. So you need to have the tracking numbers, of course, over there. PalTrack's going to do it automatically. You can even find 100,000 past orders in the back in time feature. Basically, you can go back, and not only is it going to start syncing from here on once you install the app, you can go back in time and make sure that you have all of your past transactions in there. And why would you want to do that even if they're older transactions? Again, it shows PayPal that you have a high deliverability rate. You're going to actually send. You're not a scam business. You're not ripping your customers off. You're not taking their money and not sending the product. All the things that PayPal basically needs to avoid in partnering with stores. So you're basically just kind of proving your worth here. Even if you're an existing store, very worthwhile to use this back in time feature. This alone is incredibly powerful, and you could see a big change in kind of your relationship with PayPal when you stay in their good graces. Auto routing as well, like I talked about, in terms of finding that carrier. Really cool. And again, the app right over here, you get a 7-day free trial. You see the link below this video. We're gonna go ahead and walk through the app. Really cool back end, very easy to use. You don't need to have any prior technical experience. And especially if you have a store with a lot of orders, you could just do that back in time sync and have all of your tracking information, all the tracking numbers, the carrier automatically recognized, sent over into PayPal. So let's go over the shoulder. So all you need to do to install the app, again, you see the link directly below this video. You come over here and click Add App. Once you click this install button, it's going to bring you back into the PalTrack app through your Shopify store. We're basically just going to grant permission for Shopify to talk automatically with PalTrack, and this is of course what we want. So we could do that automatic syncing. So you'll come over here and click Install App. Once you install the app, you'll be able to come over here to the one-click installation. Basically what we need to do is connect into our PayPal account. Super easy. All you need to do is just press the Connect with PayPal button, and there's full privacy on here, 100% secure. It's the official API of PayPal, secure storage, all that stuff that you need to know to feel comfortable here. They've got it taken care of because you're going to be able to connect automatically with the PayPal site. You press this button, and it's going to then connect into PayPal, where you're simply just going to log in. You'll be able to come over here and agree and connect. Basically, it's going to connect your PayPal account to PalTrack, and then it's just going to send you right back over here. We're fully set up. Everything is going to now be synced. Incredibly easy to connect. You could literally be up and running in a couple of seconds. And you see right in front of you the back in time. This is where we can sync up to 100,000 prior orders using PalTrack, and come over here and select a date. So you want to go back a few months, come over here and set that date. Then you'll be able to sync all orders in the past as well. Definitely recommend doing this. Really, that's all that you need to do, right? Everything will be synced in real time. If you get any new orders, they're going to come over here and then get synced into PayPal. Really, all you need to do is set up the back in time one time, do your connection, and then PalTrack is going to do all of the work for you. So that was PalTrack. Really easy to use, really easy to set up, but you know what it's going to do for you is very, very important and very valuable. So highly recommend it. Prevent those PayPal limitations and holds, and get in the good graces of PayPal with the PalTrack PayPal Tracking Sync app. See the link directly below this video. Like I said, it's a must-have if you're using PayPal, so go ahead and install that in your store. You get that 7-day free trial as well. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.